Yeah, no, it is more.
And here, Jeff, in the case of, do you just decide that the ball's done?
Where's the help on?
I used my grenade away from it. We need to put like an imagined splash on it.
That's a good idea, man. You have to take that to all the wars now.
Yeah. Well, once I get the FPV set up, I get my new batteries, about $80 each, but I get over half an hour runtime at full speed with them.
Oh, yeah, cool.
So, let's get all that gear set up.
I'd like to see some HVZ. Like,
Let's put a gun on it, on the front, just like destroy a stampede and like side mount it with the clip out the side.
oh, yeah, that'd be cool. Is if you could have a pressure switch and like just jolts all pointing out, so it fucking just shoot everywhere. So you can just run in a group of people. Oh fuck!
It would be a C4 car then, wouldn't it?
Yeah, RCXD. Well, that's it. Jolts are. I love them, man. You're gonna change what to do.
Again.
I know. It's got
Good fun.
Hey, that's something we should try, Dave, is just get everyone, like a random weapon. Just get a file and have everyone queue up for a weapon. Send them out randomly.
That's not a bad idea, actually.
Yeah, rather than us having a run to get a weapon, just give everyone a
lucky
random weapon and say, do your best with it.
Probably a melee weapon.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, good, yeah, but you're not even guaranteed a weapon.
Well, Scott's already setting this up. Next game, if like, I don't know, is everyone's going to play I think what do people want to play?
I haven't done Cap the 4 yet, like I said. Cap the 4 team. VIP, Cap the 4. Yeah, something VIP.
Alright, yeah, we'll do one more of this, then cap the fort, then if we've got time later, we'll try, or even next war, if I do another one next weekend, we'll try it.
Don't have a run for weapons, just give everyone one random weapon.
Well, I don't know, we'll see. It's got to be this now, I don't know.
What's it doing?
Alright guys, ready?
What's it doing?
Range change, put the bit blocks in them out.
No, I can hear it coming from over there. Quick, check it.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go!
I think that was double. Oh yeah, I'll count as a double.
I'm already dead! Oh. Well done, us. Bloody jolt.
Who's still in?
Well down there.
You still in? Yeah. What's he got?
I'm sure I hit him like 4 times.
Oh well.
What, Sam's doing?
Is he still surprised?
Where's the dead? You go out of here. Straight away?
Sorry.
No, He's doing. Remember, there's still weapons.
Who's the guy
Someone dead. Yeah, because the raven
sound
died.
good.
I thought it was. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'm in front of you.
Who's still in? I think we're down to these two.
Right shield. Right shield with the right shield. I don't know what to do. Shoot him in the ass.
The grenade will instant KO.
I was just going to go
With the right shield, for fuck's sake.
Still in as. Right shield, jolt, rush for the win. I reckon it'll work. They're already winning.
Get a grenade!
Yeah, if he hits that grenade, that right shield's out.
I thought it's again with it.
No, just the
Oh!
right.
Got him!
Final kill. Well done. You died.
There you go. Now we watch that way.
And now we jump. Hey, look, there's a gun in here.
Still going.
Yeah, it's still recording.
It's on an iPhone.
Nah,
And